In today's video, I will walk you through how to make broken glass effects in Adobe Photoshop. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Start by selecting your image layer, then press Ctrl-A to select the full image and Ctrl-C to copy it. After that, press Ctrl-V to paste the copied image onto a new layer. This gives you another version of the image to work with, while keeping the original underneath. Next, choose a glass texture image and place it over your photo. After adding it into the document, go to the Blend Mode options in the Layers panel and change the blend mode to Screen. This removes the dark background from the glass image and leaves only the visible glass details over your photo. Now press Ctrl-T to activate Free Transform. Resize the glass image and position it so it fits naturally over your subject, or the area you want to affect. Take a moment to line it up carefully so the cracks and texture work well with the composition. Once that looks good, create a copy of your main image layer. Working on a duplicate layer makes it easier to apply the effect without changing the original image underneath. After creating the duplicate, select the Polygonal Lasso tool from the toolbar. Use this tool to draw around the section where you want the broken glass effect to appear. Continue clicking point by point to build the shape of your selection. You can create sharp angles or irregular shapes depending on the look you want for the broken section. When your selection is complete, click the mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. This applies a layer mask to the selected area and isolates that section from the rest of the image. Next, look between the image thumbnail and the mask thumbnail in the Layers panel. Click the small chain icon to unlink them. This allows the image and the mask to move separately, instead of staying locked together. After unlinking them, click directly on the image thumbnail and make sure you are not selecting the mask thumbnail. Then press Ctrl-T again to transform the image inside the masked area. Now, begin repositioning the image slightly inside that section. Move it enough so the area appears displaced from the original image. This creates the illusion that the glass has cracked and shifted apart. Continue adjusting the transformed section until the effect looks natural and blends smoothly with the rest of the composition. Small movements usually work best for creating a realistic broken glass appearance. Once everything looks the way you want, confirm the transformation to finish the effect.